Let's solve problem 7 on the 2024 Math in the Matrix competition Blitz round. Alice and Bob play a game on the non-negative number line. Both of them start at 0, and every second they make a move. If a player is on X, a move will take them to either X minus 1 or X plus 1 with equal probability if it lies on the non-negative number line. After 3 seconds, the probability that they are on the same number can be expressed as m over n, where m and n are relatively prime positive integers. Find m plus n. Okay, so we can just draw this non-negative number line. Alice and Bob both start at 0. And we know that on their first move, they're both going to go to 1. So we know that after their first move, Alice and Bob are both at 1. So after 2 more seconds, there are exactly 2 places where they can meet. Since they're going to have traveled an even number of moves after 2 seconds, they can meet at 3 and 1. If they both meet at 3, then on each move, they'd have to go to 2, which is 1/2 squared. And then from 2, they'd have to go to 3, which is 1/2 squared. So then there's a 1/16 chance that they're both meeting at 3. Now, what's the probability that they both meet at 1? Okay, so we know that the answer is just going to be some fraction squared for the probability that they're both at 1, because Alice and Bob, by symmetry, they're exactly the same. So it's just the probability that one of Alice or Bob, let's just say Alice, gets to 1. So if Alice goes to 0, which is a 1/2 chance, she always goes back to 1. So our fraction is going to be 1/2 plus, and then if she goes to 2, then there's a 1/2 chance, and then she has to go back, which is a 1/4 chance. So the fraction is going to be 1/2 plus 1/4, which is 3/4. So then 3/4 squared is equal to 9/16. The sum of these 2 fractions is 5/8. So then the answer is 13. That's it for this problem.